I have a 2014 Ford Focus here. This one got popped in this corner right here. Real good. Rolled this quarter panel in a long ways. But I'm actually going to repair this one. It should come out alright. I think if I make the right pulls in this area and down here, it should come out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some pulls on it and we'll see how it comes out. So I'm going to go ahead and fit this bumper bracket up. These are normally riveted on, but I have some small bolts here. I don't want to have to rivet it, then have to drill the rivets back out to take it back off. So I just use some small bolts and nuts to bolt it in place. Well, the metal work came out very nice on this one. The bumper fits up very nice, the taillight fits. The quarter panel all rolled out. There's gonna be a little bit of glaze work in this area, but it came out really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bumper and pull it back apart and get it in fill. Alright, this one is just about wrapped up, ready for seam sealer and primer. But I will do that first thing in the morning. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.